Tired of empty promises to make money? Get ready because I'm going to show you profitable machines that you can import from the United States and start working from home. There is a machine that is filling the bank accounts of many people in Mexico, the United States, and Latin America.
This information is worth millions.
But how do I buy them?
Don't worry, in the video description I leave you the purchase link.
What good service!
And where do I go for them?
Don't worry, they arrive at your doorstep.
Oh wow, that interests me.
Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Mini Table Saw. Create unique and profitable products for $129. You can make a wide variety of products such as wooden Montessori toys, personalized puzzles, educational structures, craft decorations, and even functional DIY pieces. These products are highly in demand because they combine functionality, aesthetics, and the value of what is handmade. Montessori toys in particular are on the rise, as many parents look for educational tools that encourage child development in a natural and sustainable way. Did you know that Montessori toys made of wood are one of the most popular trends in the children's market? Their durability, minimalist design, and educational focus make them a preferred choice for parents and schools. With this mini table saw you can start a business from home, creating products that not only satisfy this demand, but also stand out for being unique and personalized. Making Montessori toys such as wooden blocks, puzzles, sensory boards, and lace frames is easier and cheaper than it seems. You can work with materials like thin wood, plastic, and acrylic, creating precise, professional quality pieces. Furthermore, these types of products have an attractive profit margin due to the low cost of materials and the high value perceived by consumers. Imagine designing a set of Montessori puzzles that combine personalized colors and shapes according to the client's needs. Each toy can sell for an average price of $15 to $40, depending on the level of customization. If you manufacture and sell at least 10 units per week, you would be generating between $150 and $400 per week per month. This can translate into income of $600 to $1,600. A profitable business from home. Liquid filling machine. For $88 you can package products such as sauces, honey, syrups, oils, creams, cosmetics, and cleaning liquids. These products are in high demand due to the growing preference for artisanal, homemade, and personalized items. Consumers value the quality, attention to detail, and authenticity that small entrepreneurs usually offer. Did you know that artisanally packaged products, such as gourmet sauces and organic honey, have a growing market? More and more people are looking for natural and handmade alternatives. With this liquid filling machine you can enter this market and offer high-quality products with professional finishes. Creating a business with this machine is simple and profitable. For example, you could focus on homemade sauces such as salsa, chimichurri, or custom dressings, organic honey, in small jars for gifts or retail sales. Gourmet syrups or oils, such as homemade vanilla syrup or herbed olive oil. Thanks to the precision of this machine, you will avoid waste, guaranteeing uniform and clean packaging. In addition, you can use it for different container sizes, allowing you to diversify your offer. Let's say you produce and package 250 milliliter jars of homemade sauce. The cost per unit, ingredients, jar, and labels is $2. Each jar sells for $4, leaving a profit of $2 per unit. If you can and sell 100 jars a month, you will make $200 in monthly profit. In no time, the machine is free and starts generating steady income. Additionally, you can expand your business by selling in local markets, online stores, or even offer packaging services for other entrepreneurs. Soap making machine for $35. Start your handmade soap business today. With this soap making machine, you can create a variety of custom products, such as glycerin soaps and shea butter for deep hydration, exfoliating soaps with loofah or natural seeds, aromatic soaps with essential oils and dried flowers, decorative soaps in different shapes and colors. These soaps are highly in demand due to the growing trend of artisanal, ecological, and personalized products. Many people look for natural and unique alternatives instead of chemical-filled commercial soaps. Handmade soaps have become a popular choice for their quality, natural ingredients, and custom designs. In addition, they are ideal as gifts, souvenirs, and personal care products. How to generate a business with this machine. With this machine, you can make soaps from home and sell them at local fairs and markets, online stores and social networks, personalized packages for weddings, baby showers, or birthdays. Additionally, you can offer kits for others to create their own soaps. Suppose you make and sell 100-gram soaps at a cost of 50 cents per unit, including materials and packaging. Sale price $2 for each soap. Profit per unit $1.50. If you sell 100 units per month, your profit would be $150, recovering your investment in a short time. Bath bomb and soap machine. For $109, create bath bombs and soaps. You can make natural custom products that are in high demand, like effervescent bath bombs with essential oils and vibrant colors. Handmade soaps pressed with moisturizing and exfoliating ingredients. Aromatic shower tablets with relaxing or energizing effects. These products are highly sought after for their attractive appearance, skin benefits and relaxing effect, ideal for personal care and as gifts on special occasions. The natural cosmetics and wellness market continues to grow. More and more people are looking for products without harsh chemicals with natural and personalized ingredients. Handmade bath bombs and soaps are popular in natural and organic cosmetic stores, personalized gifts for weddings, baby showers and events, home spa kits and aromatherapy experiences. With a minimal initial investment, this machine allows you to manufacture exclusive products and you can sell in online stores and social networks, local markets and craft fairs, collaborations with spas and beauty boutiques. In addition, its adjustable design allows you to create different sizes and shapes, increasing the variety of products without the need to purchase multiple pieces of equipment. For just $109, this machine allows you to make high-quality products and create your own wellness brand. Take advantage of the natural cosmetics trend and launch your business from home. Pottery wheel machine. For $219, you can make a wide variety of handmade products, such as personalized mugs and plates with unique designs, decorative pots and vases for plant lovers. Artistic ceramic pieces with innovative textures and glazes. Ceramic products are highly appreciated for their durability, artisanal aesthetics and versatility, ideal for home, decoration and functional art. The market for crafts and personalized decoration has grown enormously. More and more people are looking for unique and handmade pieces, moving away from mass production. In addition, ceramics have become very popular in sectors such as interior decoration and space design, personalized gifts for weddings, events and special dates, cafes and restaurants looking for exclusive tableware. This machine allows you to make high-quality ceramic pieces from home or in a small workshop. Plus, with its powerful 350-watt motor and 11-inch head, it handles up to 20 pounds of clay, making it easy to produce large, detailed pieces. With a good sales strategy, in a few weeks you could recover the investment and generate constant income. For only $219, this machine gives you the opportunity to develop a profitable craft business from home. Take advantage of the ceramics trend and turn your passion into income. Portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. More and more people are seeking professional cleaning services for their homes, businesses, and cars. Pet owners also need effective stain and odor removal solutions. The key benefits of this service are effective in removing stains and odors. The key benefits of this service are savings. Cleaning a carpet is cheaper than replacing it. Health and hygiene. Eliminates mites, bacteria, and allergens. Comfort. Many people prefer to pay a professional. How to start your business with this machine. The portable cleaning machine is ideal for offering home services, as it is compact and powerful. With it, you can specialize in carpet and upholstery cleaning in homes and offices, automotive detailing service in car interiors. Cleaning furniture and mattresses, eliminates odors and stains. Let's look at an approximate profit calculation. Couch cleaning service $10. Living room carpet cleaning $15. Car upholstery cleaning $18. If you perform 3 services a day with an average price of $10 per service, you would have a daily income of $30. Weekly income, 5 days of work, $150. Monthly income, $600 times $169. You can start your own professional carpet and upholstery cleaning business. Use social media, word of mouth, and promotions to attract customers quickly. Button making machine. With this 2.25-inch button making machine, you can create high-quality custom badges, ideal for events, promotions, gifts, or even starting your own business. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started: 100 badge accessories, 1 circle cutter, 10 holographic adhesive papers, 5 silver glitter papers, 1 sticker roll, 1 sticker scraper, 1 magic book, and 1 tool manual. In addition, its compact and durable design with reinforced steel materials guarantees long-lasting and resistant use. Custom buttons are versatile and highly in-demand products for several reasons. Personalization. They allow you to express unique ideas, messages, or designs, making them popular at events, political campaigns, concerts, fairs, and more. Affordable cost. They are inexpensive to produce, making them an ideal choice for promotional gifts or souvenirs. Trend. Badges are a fashion accessory that never goes out of style, especially among young people and collectors. How to generate a business with this machine. This machine is an excellent tool for starting a business. You can offer custom button creation services for events, weddings, birthdays, theme parties, promotions, companies looking for corporate gifts or advertising material. Collectors, unique designs for badge lovers. Online sales, create exclusive designs and sell them on platforms such as Mercado Libre or social networks. Do you want to create custom buttons easily and cost-effectively? With this machine, you can do it in just 2 steps. In addition to being compact and durable, it includes accessories such as holographic and silver papers for unique and dazzling designs. Imagine having your own business creating badges for events, promotions or online sales with a profitability of up to $2 per button. Don't wait any longer, purchase your machine for only $69 and start generating income today. Make your designs come true and turn them into profits. This machine is not only a creative tool, but also an accessible and profitable business opportunity. Computerized embroidery machine. With the Poolin computerized embroidery machine, you can create high-quality custom designs on clothing, accessories, textiles and more. This versatile machine includes an InStitch i2 computer system, a 7-inch color touchscreen, a 4x9.25-inch embroidery area, 96 built-in designs, 8 lettering fonts and 10 languages, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Plus, it comes with 6 rolls of polyester threads, multicolor pre-wound spools and stabilizers, providing everything you need to get started right away. What products can you create with this machine? Custom clothing, t-shirts, sweatshirts, caps, jackets. Accessories, bags, backpacks, handkerchiefs, towels. Home items, pillowcases, tablecloths, curtains, personalized gifts, unique designs for weddings, birthdays, special events. Embroidered products are highly valued for allowing you to create unique and exclusive designs, which makes them ideal for gifts, promotions or personal use. The embroidery is resistant and of high quality, unlike other techniques such as screen printing. Custom fashion and artisanal designs are booming, especially on social media and e-commerce platforms. This machine is an excellent investment to undertake. You can offer custom embroidery services for local businesses, clothing stores, school or business uniforms, events, weddings, theme parties, craft fairs, online sales, create exclusive designs and sell them on platforms such as Etsy, Amazon or social networks. Advertising, logo embroidery and promotional designs for companies. Do you want to create professional embroidered designs from the comfort of your home? With the Poolin embroidery machine it is possible. Equipped with a 7-inch touch screen, 96 built-in designs, and a large embroidery area, this machine is perfect for beginners and experts alike. Imagine having your own business creating personalized clothing and accessories with a profitability of up to $27 per design. Connect with our community on Facebook and YouTube for free support and tutorials. Don't wait any longer. Get your Poolin embroidery machine for only $719 and start transforming your ideas into profits. Click now and start your career in the world of embroidery. This machine is not only a creative tool, but also a profitable and scalable business opportunity. Get started today and turn your passion into income. Classic game machine. Arcade machines are back with a vengeance, capturing the nostalgia of classic games and attracting both adults and new generations. With this arcade machine with 12 iconic games, you can offer unforgettable experiences in retro game rooms, themed bars and cafes, entertainment centers and commercial premises, rentals for events and parties. The demand for this type of entertainment continues to increase, since retro games generate emotional connections and fun moments, becoming a profitable attraction. Why are arcade games still so popular? Nostalgia sells. Many people seek to relive the excitement of the games of the 80s and 90s, in addition to children and adolescents discovering these titles with great enthusiasm. The key benefits of this business include low investment and high profitability, attractive experience for all ages, recurring revenue model, pay per play or rental. There are different ways to make an arcade machine profitable: place it in a commercial location or theme bar, rent it for parties and events, create a small arcade at home and charge per game. If you install this machine in a bar, cafeteria or commercial establishment and charge 50 cents per game, the income can add up quickly. And so we come to the end of the video. Tell me in the comments, which machine did you like the most and which one do you think has the most potential for a profitable business? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot to continue creating more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.